So should I move to the other slide?
One by one, one by one.
Yes, sir. These are the objectives.
Okay, Shiv Kumar, please follow me.
Hello, sir.
Hello.
Hello, sir. Am I audible, sir?
Yes, you are audible.
Is it possible to make little bit zoom so that I can see the words are little bit small?
You can zoom it, Shiv Kumar. I think
It's not zooming in my. Actually, I'm taking from mobile.
Yeah. See, this is PPT, so only this
Okay.
much. Yeah.
Okay.
This is PPT when the full view.
Yeah.
After
view
that,
is
the
there.
class will share, na, this one?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Okay. Now here you will learn WHOQOL, that is World Health Organization's Quality of Life questionnaire, BDI, that is Big Depression Inventory, WAIS 4, Wechsler Adult Intelligence Scale, version 4, NEO FFI. It measures the personality pattern, reading, writing, motivation, achievement motivation scale, Ravindric value preference scale, Osgood semantic differential scale with their applications. So when you understand all the scales, then it will be clear to you that is what is the meaning of psychometrics and what is the meaning of applied psychometrics. Next. Yeah. Here you can learn the application in the industry, health, school, forensic, environment, and clinical setting. Introduction to terms. Psychometrics is the focal point of empirical psychological research and practice. It is the process of assigning values and numbers to represent the amounts and kinds of specified behavior or attributes. It is concerned with the measurement of psychological attributes. Stevens defined measurement as the assignment of numbers to objects according to some rule. Psychometry and psychometrics, two things are totally different. Psychometry, basically the measurement in parapsychology. But psychometrics is related to the measurement in psychology. So we will learn how to construct the psychological scale or psychological instrument so that we can check the reliability and validity sometimes also norm. For assessment of individual in the distribution of scores. Therefore, psychometrics is important. Now here you can find out '16 personality profile or 16 personality factors developed by Cattell. And here you can find out 3 occupational groups: airline pilot, creative artist, and writers. So here you will find that is the personality pattern of 3 occupational groups. This is the difference between psychometrics and applied psychometrics. Applied psychometrics is concerned with bridging development from measurement theory to the construction and validation of applied practical measurement instrument. You have to be very much careful that psychometric properties of the psychological instrument psychometrics and applied psychometrics. So applied psychometrics deals with the change in psychometric properties of the questionnaire or the psychological instrument through the intervention. For example, you have provided psychological counseling or psychotherapy to the client. Or to the group of people. And later on, when you administer the psychological test, then you will find the reliability of the psychological test is high. So this is the approach of the applied psychometrics. That means in case of the applied psychometrics, you are dealing with the intervention like training, counseling, guidance, psychotherapy, etc. Applied psychometrics has huge applications in school psychology for school counseling and guidance, in forensic psychology to assist legal services so that court proceedings can take minimum time, in defense area for assessing personal integrity, in clinical psychology for diagnosis, treatment, or intervention, in environmental psychology to develop the pro-environmental attitude and behavior. Psychometrics is mostly concerned with the individual differences in behavior. Shivkumar, it is clear.
Yes, sir. It is clear, sir.
Thank you. Now, applications in industry. In industry, we can apply psychometrics for various purposes. One is the recruitment, another is the training and development. Training and development includes training need identification, training effectiveness. Next is organizational planning. That includes succession planning and high potential identification. Next is performance evaluation and employee engagement. So, for recruitment, psychometrics is used, or psychometric psychological test. They are used for selection of person who is fit for particular job. In training and development, we can apply the psychometric tool for identifying the training needs. And who will be trained, plus to what extent training is effective. Competency mapping. Competency mapping, it involves finding out the key skills and behaviors which are required for a particular position in an organization. It can be used for establishing the working culture of the organization, strategies and goals for the organization, and for benchmarking the goals of the employees. That means the competency mapping, what is important, that is to perform any job effectively. There is a target level of competency, and as a psychometrician, your function is to identify to what extent the competency level of your client is matched with the general competency level. Okay? For that reason, you have to do the competency mapping. Competency mapping will help you to improve the job satisfaction level and to reduce psychological stress for performing any job. Next. Competency mapping is important for all the purposes: reward management, HR planning, job analysis, recruitment and selection, placement, performance management, training and development, succession planning. For all of the issues, competency mapping is very important. Personal Effectiveness Scale by Parikh and Purohit. Personal Effectiveness Scale is meant to be used for various groups such as manager, counselor, consultant, student, and teachers. Personal Effectiveness Scale gives personal effectiveness type in terms of self-disclosure, feedback, and perceptiveness. It contains 50 statements, 5 for each of the 3 aspects. A respondent checks each statement, indicating the extent to which it is true of them or her. This instrument is self-administered. Now, this is the Johari window. Johari window is very, very important area to understand the 4 types of people. First one is I know who am I, and other people know who am I. Why? Because there is no discrepancy between my perception about myself and between the discrimination of what am I and what am supposed to be. Okay. Another window is packet, that is not known to others, Other people do not know about me, but I know who am I. Next is unknown. That means I am unknown to others as well as others also think about no idea about myself. So this is the Johari window. In case of psychological counseling, training, and guidance, we often use this Johari window. হ্যাঁ নন্দন বলো, ক্লাসে আছি, ক্লাস চলছে। আচ্ছা তুমি তবে পাঠিয়ে দাও। So this is all about the Johari window. It is based on Johari window developed by Luft and Ingham, 1991. In this model, there are two main dimensions for understanding the self: the aspect of a person's behavior and style that are known to him, and those that are known to people with whom he interacts with others. A combination of these two dimensions reveals 4 areas of knowledge about the self. So, Shiv Kumar, I have no idea about yourself earlier. Now I know about you. Okay. So earlier you were in facket. Okay. Because you know who you are, but I have no idea about you. So that is the facket condition. This is the Johari window. One sec, give me some time. Hara, please do not change.
Yes, sir.
Hello. Am I audible?
Yes, yes. হ্যাঁ ঠিক হয়েছে আচ্ছা ওকে ঠিক আছে থ্যাংক ইউ Okay, so this is the personal effectiveness scale, and this particular scale here you can find out the introduction, name, roll number, organization, date, etc. And here you can find out that is the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Basically 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is also the 5-point scale. 0 means it is not at all the characteristics of the individual. So I am requesting Shiv Kumar, please you read the statement and you assess yourself. Okay, Shiv Kumar.
Sir, actually, it is not properly visible as I'm taking from mobile.
Okay.
Just
First one is I find it difficult.
yeah. Right now it is visible, sir. Just I will read it, sir. Just, sir. Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You read and you score yourself.
Okay.
Only 15 items are there. So you can
Little
score
bit
yourself.
uncomfortable, sir, because I'm taking from mobile. Okay.
Okay,
It is
now
most-
you write on the notebook. So it
Okay.
will be easy for you.
Yeah. Sir, what is the first question? I find it difficult to frank with the people unless I know. So what should be the marks for this? I have to
If
give
you,
self-administer.
yeah, the 5 categories are there.
Okay.
The 0 means not at all the characteristics
Okay.
of you.
Okay.
And
Okay.
the 4 is the most characteristics of you.
Okay.
So if
Dimension
you
is
think
there.
this is the not at all your characteristics, then it will be 0.
Okay.
And if it is your characteristics, then first one, this is the first degree, 1.
Okay, sir.
After that 2, next is 3, and next is 4.
Okay, sir.
So this is the degree in change.
Okay. So should I do right now?
Yeah.
Okay, sir. Difficult to find the people unless I know.
Hello, Farah. Farah,
Yes, sir.
this personal effectiveness scale, how to score?
Sir, here it is other instructions, sir. These are the reverse items, sir. 1, 4, 10, 5, 11, 3, 6, 12, 15. So first item का response we have to write down here. 4 का here, 7 here, 10 here, 13 here. And then we have to do the total. This will tell you whether you are self-disclosure or not. So, sir, column wise we have to do.
So what will be the score? So that I can understand it is self-disclosure, openness to feedback.
Sir, if the total score is 11 or below, right L, if the score is a right edge, mark one between the combination with three totals. Look in A at item in which your response is 2 or below. So below 11, sorry, above 11 is good. I mean, you are that kind of a person, but if it is below 11, then you have to make your action plan, sir. That is what they are telling, sir.
No, below there is self-disclosure 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. High, high, low, low, low. So,
The L and H, lonely and so let me change. Sir, it is L and H. L means low, H means high. So in all the three categories, there are some low and there are high.
yeah, that is clear. But
Yes,
the
sir.
question is, one is effective self-disclosure high. So this one means what?
So first item. So first item is reverse item.
Huh?
So, sir, if,
Then 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 6, 7, 8. Total
sir,
15 items are there.
yes, sir. Second item is an item of openness to feedback. Third item is
That
a
is, if it is openness to feedback, it is insensitive.
no, sir. This is the category wise.
Okay. Hello, Shivkumar, complete?
Sir, yes, I am in supposed to complete. Like I reached around 12 question number, but here it seems to be little difficult because I am taking from mobile. The items are not properly looking. So is that okay to take the hard copy of that and I will make it out? Otherwise, I will do it as much as possible. But I am not able to give justice to the question paper like items.
Okay, Farah. So can you just scan and give it to Shivkumar?
No, right now I'm doing, but what I'll do is, yeah, if it is give, I'll take into printout of that in the next class. I will show to you, sir. I will explain and interpretations is needed. Right now I'm taking, but I'm not able to give the numbers in right manner, like whatever that dimension is there.
Okay.
But it seems to be very interesting. What I found is the test, the items are seems to be very interesting, and I'm very eager to practice this.
Yeah, at least you can assess yourself.
Yeah, that I can make, sir, but I am not able to choose in the right way because I am more comfortable with the hard copy. If your hard copy is there, I'll go through the manual and all this. I took the printout and I will go and I will give it in the next class, sir. Is that okay to you, sir?
Okay, okay, no problem.
Yes.
But please, you do not look at the answer sheet.
Yeah,
First,
this you. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
first
I
you
know
finish your
Yes, sir.
response. After
Hmm.
that, you will check the answer sheet.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Is there any scoring manual is given now? How to score and all that?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay, Farah, what is the next? Acha, this is the WHO. Okay, today we want to limit up to the personal effectiveness. Okay. Uh, After that, we will go to the WHO, quality of life. So
Okay, sir.
whatever we have learned today,
Yes, sir.
that is this Johari window. So this Johari window includes how many windows?
4, sir.
4 windows. Suppose one patient came to you, and when you ask the patient, that is, tell me about yourself, and patient is not able to tell you about himself, then which window?
Sir, unknown.
unknown. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Because not known to self, not known to others.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now the patient is telling that is I am a serviceman. Then which window?
So that is called known to self. That is what is that? I'm not able to word or pronounce it. In fact, that is what the things, the known to self,
Then
sir.
it will be open, no?
Okay,
Because
it will be yeah.
yeah, before that it will be facet.
Okay.
Because patient himself is telling about him.
Okay.
So
Okay.
patient is open.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And before that, patient is in facet. Because
Okay, sir.
you have no idea about the patient.
Okay.
Yeah. Now, there is one situation. For example, patient is telling that in the absence of any people, patient can listen to some sound. Okay. So this is called the auditory hallucination.
Yes, sir.
Then you have to find out what are the underlying factors for this auditory hallucination. So
Okay, sir.
therefore, that window is the blind spot, blind area.
Okay.
Because here patient has no idea and you have no idea.
Okay.
And as a psychologist or psychometrician, we have to administer some projective test. For example, we can administer Rorschach test or TAT test like that. If we can administer that test, then we can identify the underlying reason for the abnormal behavior.
Right, sir.
Okay. So psychometric tools or psychological tools, psychological test and questionnaire is very, very important for understanding the individual with respect to other individuals. Okay. So it is the tool for assessment of individual difference. Individual difference, that means individual's response varies with time, place, and culture. Okay?
Yes, sir.
So One possibility is the intra-individual difference. Another one, inter-individual difference. Intra-group difference, inter-group difference. Intra-organization difference, inter-organization difference. Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
there are different type of individual differences are there. And as a psychometrician, our function is to find out the individual differences so that we can modify the behavior of individual. Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
Any question?
Sir, I have a few questions like regarding to my. I have already told that I have been completed my master degree from distance education. I felt I have done my master project related to high school children, but I have little problem in presenting my like project report in seminars due to little adequate knowledge about statistics. So please help me to presenting that paper in upcoming classes, like in later our classes. So that is the one thing, and also I have to present my that paper. Like please help me in this statistical part so that I can present my paper with confidence.
Okay, so can you share your data part?
Yes, sir. I will share it into entire the summary of the things.
What is your
I,
hypothesis?
yes, sir. I will send you all in to you, sir. Please send it to mail, sir. I will send you the details, sir.
Okay, you send it to Farah, so that
Yes, yes.
Farah can, and you tell what is your requirement to
Yes,
Farah.
sir. Yes, sir.
Then that will be better.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir. Sir, another question I would like to ask, sir. You're explaining that uh, like organizational behavior, like the person who have done like doctorate in organizational behavior, generally they go to as a consultant like in the organizations as a psychologist.
Correct.
So you are also mentioning that psychometrician, is that important because psychometrician is a specialized field.
Yes,
But do you
psychometrician
think
can
that
help
organizational,
you. Psychometrician can help the
yeah,
organization for job analysis, for recruitment, for training, for succession planning,
okay, sir.
all
Okay,
the purpose.
okay, sir.
For quality management,
Okay,
total
sir.
quality management,
Yes, sir.
leadership training,
Okay,
all those things can be provided by the psychometrician.
okay, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I got the answer, sir.
You got the answer. Okay, thank you. Hello, Mona Lisa, how are you?
Good evening, sir. I am fine. How are you, sir?
Okay. Yeah, me also fine. Here it is raining.
Raining, sir. That's good.
Too much
After a
rain.
long time, sir.
Yeah, after a long time. Okay. So we have discussed about the paper 1, mainly the difference between psychometrics and the applied psychometrics.
Yes, sir.
Johari window. I think you know it very well, Johari
Yes,
window.
sir. Yes, sir.
So we have discussed those issues
Yes, sir.
and how psychometrics can help in industry. We
Yes,
have
sir.
discussed that issue.
Yes, sir.
Okay. হ্যাঁ দাদা কোথায় আছেন? হ্যালো,
Hello, sir. Am I audible, sir? Hello. Hello. Hello.
হ্যাঁ শিবকুমার, yeah, hello Shivakumar.
Yes, sir. Am I audible, sir?
Yes, you are audible. Please fill up the questionnaire, huh?
Yes, sir.
That
Yes,
we
sir.
have
I will do
given.
it, sir. Please
Yeah.
share in the WhatsApp group, sir, this PPT and this one test, sir.
Okay, so
Our window.
Farah will arrange it. Okay.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Shiv Kumar, we will share the PPT after completing this full module. Right now, I will share the test with you.
Yeah. Test. You can share the test.
Yeah. After completing the module, I will share the full PPT on Google
Okay. No
Class.
issue. No
Yeah.
issue. Okay.